Toyota of Stewart, you will love us.
Take a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a Chevrolet Silverado with 4-speed automatic transmission and just over 30,000 miles. With a fuel consumption of 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, this is a great value. Equipped with 4 speakers, steel wheels, dash-mounted CD, power steering, engine immobilizer, halogen headlights, cup holders, door pockets, and door reinforcement. Owning this vehicle is a dream. With its driver and passenger airbag and 4-wheel ABS, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Come in to see more vehicles like this one and enjoy our first-class service. Call, click, or come in.